డిసప్పాయింట్ అయ్యానండి. పెళ్లి కూతురు పార్టీ అని పిలిచారు. స్వపన్ గారికి నాళ్ళకి పెళ్లి చేసుకోవాల్సిన బుద్ధి పుట్టిందేమో, చేసుకుంటారేమో అనుకున్నాను. పెద్ద కళ్యాణ మండపం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశాను, లేదు. వెరైటీగా స్టేజ్ మీద మంత్రాలు గింతాలు లేకుండా దండాలు మార్చుకునే సిస్టమ్ ఏమనుకున్నాను, అది లేదు. ఓన్లీ పెళ్లి కూతురు అన్నారు, మీరు ఏమైనా కూతురు అడాప్ట్ చేసుకుంటారేమో అనుకున్నాను, అది లేదు. ఒక పెళ్లి కాకుండానే తెల్లయ్యారేమో, తప్పేం లేదు దాంట్లో, అమ్మాయి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు, అది లేదు. కలిసి అక్కడ మంచి పార్టీ అని ఇస్తారు అనుకున్నానండి, బయట బీరు లేదు, విస్కీ లేదు, ఏమీ లేదు. ఐఎమ్ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్, డీప్లీ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్. న్యాయమా చెప్పండి మీకు, ఇది ధర్మమా? నాన్న ఇది ధర్మమా, ఇది ధర్మమా? కానీ మంచి విందు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశాను, దానికన్నా మంచి కనువిందు అయింది, చెవి విందు అయింది. మంచి పాటలు వినిపించారు, మంచి దృశ్యాలు వినిపించారు. సాత్విని మాఫ్, చాలా బాగుంది. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
బెస్ట్ చేయలేకపోతాను, బట్ ఐ విల్ ట్రై. ఓకే, ఐ ట్రై మై బెస్ట్. సో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్ ప్రెస్, ఫర్ టు ఆల్ ది ప్రెస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, మీరు వచ్చారు ఈ ఈవెంట్ కవర్ చేయటానికి. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు ఆల్ ద గెస్ట్స్, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ my mentor and friend, guide, philosopher, Mr. Vijendra Prasad garu. Thank you so much for coming. Okay. And so today we ikkada enduku vachamante, we are launching our trailer for Pelli Kuturu Party. All right. And it is a Telugu feature film, and as you can see koncham English kuda undi. So before I just want to mention some interesting highlights in movie lo. Main genre is a rom-com / adventure. Okay. And dini chick flick antaru because it has a female protagonist. And my protagonist in this film is Anisha Dama. There's my heroine. Okay. So Anisha Dama garu, she has done supporting roles in, you must have seen in Geeta Govindam and Oh Baby and Maharishi. So I'm very proud to say that this is her first movie as a lead actress. Okay, and a hero of the movie. Okay, so then I have my hero, Prince. And with ee movie to meeku telustundi, he has come of age, and you will see him a lot on screens after this. All right, and his time has come, the way, as they say. Annapurnamma garu, she is not here. Ame Vijayawada undi, she has some work, so but she ame centerpiece na movie ki. It's a very important role. And ఈ వెటరన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ ఎంత యూత్ఫుల్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చేసిందంటే, షీ ఈజ్ మోర్ యూత్ఫుల్ దెన్ దిస్ యంగ్ యాక్టర్స్ హియర్, సో ఐ విష్ షీ వాజ్ హియర్, బట్ ఐ రిగ్రెట్ఫుల్లీ షీ కాంట్ మేక్ ఇట్. With this movie, I'm very pleased to announce and very proud that we are launching a new Telugu heroine. Her name is Bhavna Vazapanda. Okay. And she is fully formed actor. She comes from theatre background. She has done Chalam, Maidanam nunchi Shakespeare varaku anni chesindi, and she has hit the ground running. Pavan Suresh garu unnara ikkada, inka raleda? So the villain in my movie is Mr. Pavan Suresh garu. And eppudu meeru chala villainic violent roles lo chusuntaru. Ee movie tho he is going to do a comedy villain, so adi there's something to look forward to. Okay, all my girls, whether it is Sita or Anisha, Bhavna, they're all local talent. They are Telugu girls, so I'm very proud to say that. Jayatri, I couldn't make it, the fourth girl. She's busy elsewhere, but they are all Telugu speaking. They did their own dubbing, so that's one highlight of the movie. I have to mention something. I have some heroes on the stage here. Prince Sai Ketan, who is not here. Sai Ketan is not here. But I have, Arjun Kalyan and Charan. They're all heroes. అండ్ ఇట్లాంటి అమ్మాయిల మూవీలో వాళ్ళు ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీ చాలా పెనలైజ్ చేస్తుంది హీరో వెన్ హీ డస్ సపోర్టింగ్ రోల్ సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ that they came to support the performance of the actresses and took that role, you know what I mean, and I hope more heroes will come and take that opportunity because we love good looking guys who are heroes in our movies. We'll show them beautifully, so I hope that continues. um, I have to highlight my music director Swikar Agasti, actor for certain movies that you probably know, Care of Kanchar Palam and also Middle Class Melodies. And he has done mostly like these small town score and music. So, ee movie to highlight entante, you will see his range. Aina, apart from melody, he has also done pop music and also jazz. Ankenta command undo meeku telustundi with this film. And the same thing I have to mention, aina song inka play release avvaledu. But Srinivas Mauli garu, I'm very honored. He just got nominated for Saima Award for Best Lyricist. Congratulations, sir. And thank you for giving us your words for our love song, which I will release after this. So I had the honor of working with him, and I'm so grateful. Okay. With this movie, kotta new technicians iddarni launch chestunnamo. He's 24 years old. His name is Varaprasad. He is graduated from Hamstech. He is our costume designer. And you can see నాకు ఇంత పెద్ద ensemble cast ఉంది, and he had to dress all of them in so many different ways. And interestingly, ఈ మూవీలో they are not just make them look beautiful, the చాలా action sequences, they have to get messed up, చాలా distressing, ఆ continuity అన్నీ చూసుకున్నాడు. So I think you will see his work a lot. The other technician, I am proud to say, is a lady technician. Her name is Rachel Verma. She is my production designer. Rachel, can you come on stage, please? Yeah, she has done a lot of assistant work. So with this movie, she has become production designer. So I really look forward to her career in the industry. And now this is my most favorite technician. Oh, I'm sorry, but he's my favorite. Naren Elan. We have stolen him from Chennai. Okay. He made a film there, Tumba ani oka film chesadu, Tiger children's movie. This is his second movie. He ఆయన వర్క్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా. He worked with Ravi Varman for which movie? Badrinathlo assistant cameraga చేశారు. But now he has come to Telugu industry as a DOP, and you have seen his work. But more than that, I think I have found a lifelong collaborator. I don't think I will make movie without him. I love you, Naren. Okay. And also, not just that, see, he along with him, he got lot of technicians from Chennai, our VFX team, our graphics team, a trailer cutter also is from Chennai. So he got lot of good people he recommended that now we will steal them from Chennai industry, okay? Pushpa Bhaskar garu, are you here, ma'am? No. I know that we don't have a tradition of having a casting director, but I come from Los Angeles, where I've learned that as important as cinematographer is casting director. So she started her career with me. Posh Pori's web series to naatone start ayindi, and now she is huge, and I'm so happy that I have her, because to cast this big ensemble cast with God knows how many supporting actors and, junior artists, lots of work was there, and she really supported me. Now, on the back end, I had apart from new people, I had a very strong, experienced post-production team, and also my makeup artist. He's very experienced. So my post-production team, Dharmendra Kakarla garu, SFX, Suresh Somireddy garu, my mixer, Shyam garu, and my dubbing engineer, Raj garu, all these people. And I had the honor of working with Raghu Master for my songs, and Subbu Master for all the stunts. I know this is a chick flick, and dantlo kuda stunts ivanni pettamu. So that was very nice to have these experienced, strong people. Naku chala, like, I could fall back on, And okay, among my supporting actors, I had some industry like thoroughbreds antar kada. Ramakrishna Meka garu was there with me, and Pushpa Tummalapalli garu. I have worked with them before. Vallu immediate ga vachchesaru, and I'm very happy. They anchored my film and gave support to my lead actors. So thank you, Pushpa garu. I know you are here. If you can come on stage, that will be very nice. And last but not the least, and I'm getting little emotional here. I have to mention, we got some of the comedians from Fun Bucket. From my time at Posh Boris in Telugu One, Fun Bucket vallu పరిచయం అయ్యారు. Harsha has done great job. Manki chala manchi comedians ichcharu, next generation comedians. Shining Funny, Rajesh Wulli, they are in. And I have some new heroes also, like Charan. But now, last but not the least, my producer. Sir. I'll tell you something, a lot of, he is so supportive and gives so much freedom that I made the film that I wanted, all right? And not many producers give that opportunity to you. So thank you, sir. Yeah?
Chala thanks ikkada vachinanduku. Today is actually a very special day for all of us. Exactly about a year ago, మేము ఈ film the process start చేసాము, and today to see the results is really overwhelming. First and foremost, I have to thank my director, Aparna ma'am, for giving me this role and really believing in me. So thank you so much, ma'am. My producer, Swami Garu, for always being so supportive from the start till the end. My most amazing DOP, Nareen sir. Thank you for making us look so amazing on screen. Thank you. And a film is incomplete without its team. So to the production, art direction team, the makeup artists, everyone on set, thank you so much. Last but not the least, the cast. Really, I wouldn't have been able to do anything without them. They've been amazing. So thank you so much, everyone. And thank you all of you for coming and giving us this support. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's a one-time opportunity. I feel this is the first time I'm here, and my event lo meer undadam mimmalni kaladam. Thank you, Aparna ma'am. You made this possible. And thanks to the entire cast and crew. We had fun making this film, and I think it'll show on screen. I'll cut it short because we have time takkuga undi. So yeah, thank you everyone, sir. Thank you, sir, and see you.
ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సక్సెస్ అయినందుకు మీ సపోర్ట్ ఉన్నందున వీఆర్ హ్యాపీ, అండ్ మీ సపోర్ట్తో మేము ఈ ఫిల్మ్ని ఈ మంత్లో లాంచ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాము. ఈ సెప్టెంబర్లో లాంచ్ చేయాలని ప్లాన్తో ఉన్నాము. వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.